Today I'll be showing you how to order products on ACBUY. First, let's begin by making an account. When buying stuff from ACBUY, you will need either the product name or link, or preferably you would go into a spreadsheet and look for items there. When you find a product you want, go here and open the link. Next, you want to pick a style, the clothing size, and how much you want for it. Next, you're gonna pick the style of the product, the size if it's for clothes, and the amount. After which, you need to agree to the disclaimer here, and then you can click buy now. After confirming the payable amount, select which country you live in, and then agree to the terms of service here, and then submit. Here you can select your payment method. Since this is just an example, mine is still 0. In the next page, you will select your address, and then submit for delivery.